We're going to Guatemala.
That's what we're doing.
We went to Guatemala. We're going back to Guatemala. We'd love for you to come with us.
We want to bring you.
We're gonna climb a volcano.
That's crazy.
A volcano.
Yeah. Almost 4,000 feet.
So please sign up. We're gonna be putting out some information shortly. The spots are already being asked about and already being whittled down from 15. We probably have about 11 spots left already. So please sign up. Come climb a volcano.
March 15th to the 22nd, 2020.
Yes.
Guatemala.
Coming soon. It's coming soon.
Guatemala.